Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forward from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for September 18th, 2016. Hope everyone's having a great weekend so far. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off last week. Overall, on Friday, it was a down day. The Dow finished lower by 88 points. The S&P was down 8, and the Nasdaq was down 5. But for the week, we had a positive finish. And if we take a closer look at this on the Dow, we do have downward momentum right now. And we have an inside bar type formation going on. But if we look at the weekly here, it is trying to hold this level. It closed back above that moving average with considerable volume. Look at the spike in volume last week. So we'll see. This is going to be a very, very significant test. Now, there are a few key levels here that I want to point out. First of all, on the Dow, let me grab my trend line here and draw this out for you. Right around 17,880 or so, right around here, is a significant area of support. You can see how many touches along this line going back about a year. And we're just sitting right above that right now. So it really needs to hold this level here. And if we look at the S&P 500, the S&P 500 is also near a very significant level of support, which is right around 2,100 here. A nice even round number, and it's just sitting right up there at 2132. So a bit of room there, but it really needs to remain above 2100. Look at that downward momentum here. We could get a retracement back into this moving average before the next rollover. We'll see how things play out. Obviously, this week, the central banks are going to rule this week, in my opinion. Bank of Japan has their policy meeting coming up, and the Fed has their meeting announcement coming up this Wednesday around 2 p.m. Eastern. Both are going to be crucial for this market. Now, bit of a mixed picture overall between the index charts. If you look at the Nasdaq, it's certainly looking better than the others. Momentum has gone flat again, but this one gets very interesting on the weekly, where you see a nice strong bullish engulfing pattern here, along with strong momentum supporting that move. So very, very interesting picture. The Russell lagging behind also has negative momentum here. And if you look at the weekly on the Russell, it still, nice strong momentum, no question about it. Again, supported by volume, but still looks like it has a bit more room to go here for the pullback. Let's take a look at a few more charts here. TLT, the 20-year Treasury ETF, bouncing a little over a point on Friday, while gold was down almost 5 points here. Gold is approaching a crucial level as well, which is right around here, right around 1,300 or so. 1,305 is going to be a very crucial test for gold, although on the weekly still looks pretty decent. And crude on Friday was down about 88 cents or so, and certainly looks like it's could roll over soon. It also has a level of support, a fairly significant level of support right here, right around the 42.5 area. So a lot of key levels going to be tested this week. Remember, central banks, those meetings are going to be absolutely crucial. All eyes and ears are going to be on those heading into midweek, okay? And that could really change the outlook towards the end of the week. So let's be patient with this. Let's see how we start off the week. Don't be surprised if we have a slower start to the week. And then, of course, after those two meetings, things really pick up from there. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.